It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good morning, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy, and I am back with one more the best question series. Right today, if you know the formula, automatically you can solve the questions there. So today I will break a myth of the students. Right, some students ask me, right, sir, shall we leave the topic? Shall we leave this topic? So I never suggest to leave a topic, right? So any educator, right, Bhima sir, Negi sir, what they say is at least learn the basics. If the questions are easy, automatically that simple basic will be helpful to solve the question fatafat and very easily. Am I right or wrong? Of course, if it is tough, okay, right? So the probability of not losing a question, you should not be in that criteria. That's what our educators feel for the learners, right? So before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Why me? I'm ranked 33 in overall category, of course, right now 16 in overall category of GATE and ESE, and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic, and what are the advantages when I choose iconic or plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic case, you will be assigned with a personal coach, and you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your mentor and your educator, so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing during your preparation. You will be getting best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage is personalized guidance and personalized test analysis. This is what students need right now. Content, it is available everywhere, but you need guidance, right? Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified, and if those mistakes are rectified, automatically your score will be boosted. right? One such greatest advantage. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also, right? These are the features of plus and iconic. So we got many requests from the students there, sir, how to know the quality of the course, how to know the depth of the course, what you are teaching there. So can we see these features? Can we feel these features for some days for free? Yes, Unacademy have given a golden opportunity for you, right? So it has given a 7-day free trial for GATE and ESE, right? You can check the quality of the courses. You can check the depth of the content. You can check the features what I have explained you. Then you can subscribe on to Unacademy, right? This is the process. Scan the QR code, register with your number, activate your code, right? So use my code NLN10 to activate. Start learning, right? Watch for 7 days for free, and then you can decide to subscribe, right? Once you decide to subscribe, how much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 75 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will be getting my guidance and my entire group guidance, right, from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, finally to me, and you will be getting 10% off. After 10% off, the price will be 53,737. For 12 months, it is 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Coming to iconic, whatever I have explained you in the previous slides, you will get all those features. Plus, you will be getting notes prepared by topmost educators in India. It will be delivered to you. And see here, these are the prices. On this prices, you will be getting 10% flat discount when you use my code NLN10. So guidance apart from the guidance. And yes, we got many requests from the free learners. So notes availability is only for plus and iconic till now, but we have revamped our GATE Lite subscription here. So we made it as a distance learning program where you will be getting printed notes plus test series, right? So in Unacademy Lite subscription, now you will be getting printed notes and test series. So on this is the price for the subscription, and on this price you will be getting 10% off when you use my code NLN10. Yes. So do try to subscribe, those who are expecting the best test series, the best notes prepared by topmost educators in India. Hope so I am clear. Yes. Shall we start discussing the questions there? Yes, we will start discussing the questions there. 1 second here. Let me take up the slides there. Yes. So I will solve this question and I'll give you 2 minutes for each and every question to solve from the next one. So let me solve this and then I'll give you 2 minutes for each and every question to solve. Okay. So what is the question there? Observe there. Hi Juneja, don't worry yaar. So my aim is to teach, right? Listening or not listening is not my wish there. Don't worry, right? Thank you for your concern. Observe the question there. A metal cylinder of radius 12 centimeter and height 16 centimeter is melted down and formed into identical smaller spheres of radius 3 centimeter, it seems. So there is a metal cylinder and it is melted down and formed into a small identical spheres, it seems, of radius 3 centimeter. What is the question asked? How many smaller spheres are formed? Yes, it will be helpful for IP MAT exam also, Sia. You can watch the session there. Now, therefore, everybody know when you melt a object into another object, there will be no change in volume. There will be a change in area, but volume will not change there. So I will be taking down like this: volume of the metal cylinder. Write down the data there. What is the formula there? Just if you can know the formula, you can easily solve the things there. Pi r square h is nothing but the volume of the cylinder. And can anybody say volume of the sphere there? Volume of the sphere is nothing but equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now you are asked, first question is you are asked how many smaller spheres are formed. Okay, chalo. Done. Oh, Juneja, sorry yaar. Sorry yaar, I'm really sorry, right? So it's my mistake then. Pi into radius. Sorry Juneja. Apologies. 12 into 12 and your height is 16. So I have to find out the number of the same object is melted down into n identical smaller spheres, right? N into 4 by 3 into pi into what is your r value there? R value is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3. Let's calculate all these things. So 3 gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled. So 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 fours are 3 fours are, and 1 4 gets cancelled. So automatically what is your n value? Is it 64? Yes, it is 64. And your option number D. Perfectly done. Let's come to the next one. What is the next question asked? What is the percentage change in the total surface area? This is the question asked. Total surface area. So I hope so you are getting my point there. Yes or no? Yes. Perfectly done. Now observe the question there. Now surface area of the cylinder is nothing but TSA, total surface area of the cylinder. Metal cylinder means I am considering it as solid cylinder only beta, right? So pi r square, sorry, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. This is the formula there. Okay. Now what will be the total surface area of the spheres, right? So is it 4 pi r square? Yes, it is 4 pi r square. Done. So let us calculate this. What can I take common? I will be taking down this common here. 2 pi r into r plus h. So what will be the value? I'll take down the ratio. Ratio will be damn helpful for me now. 4 pi r square. So automatically see here 4 pi 2 pi gets cancelled. Now here radius of the cylinder is nothing but 12. 12 plus 16 is 28. So I'll take down this as 12 into 12 plus 16 is nothing but equal to 28. Here r square will be 9. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know yes or no. 3 into 3. So let's cancel down this 3. This one is nothing but equal to 4. So see here how many are there? 64 are there na? I have to take down 64 here. So 4 ones are 4 what is the thing there? 4 ones are 4 16s are. So again 2 8s are 2 ones are 2 14s are, again 2 4s are 2 7s are. So automatically what is the surface area change? 7 is to, is it 12? Yes, it is 12. No yeah, no yeah, we have missed out something there. Is it 7 is to, yeah, we missed out some value here. Is it 7 is to 12? It is not 7 is to 12 beta. We have missed out a value there. 243 is the correct thing. Let me write down the value there. 1 second. I missed out a value there. Let me write down 1 second. R is nothing but called 12. R plus H is nothing but called 28. Okay. Now this is 64 into, now I have 64 smaller spheres are formula 64 into 3 into 3 it is 9. So 3 3s are 3 4s are 4 1s are 4 16s are. Am I right or wrong? So 2 8s are 2 14s are. This is 2 7s are 2 4s are. 7 is to 12 only. Right. Here one more 2 is left over beta, right? I missed out this 2. So it is 7 is to 24. 7 is to 24. So how much change happened there? Yes, Phoenix, right? That we have done a mistake there. How much change happened there? 24 minus 7, is it 17? 17. 17 is nothing but, see, 7 became 14. 14 became 17. So automatically what will be the answer? The 7 became 24. Matlab, what will be the value there, ma? 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 7. So your answer will be 243% change. B option will be the answer. So little bit of calculative error. So excuse me for that. Let's solve the next one here. So what about the next one? Now the same pattern of question, but I am asking for hemisphere. I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Let's see. Let's solve the next one. Let's not make any calculative errors. Okay. A hemisphere of radius 14 is melted down and formed into 4 identical smaller sphere systems. So the point here is, we know that when an object is melted down and formed into a new object, there will be no change in volume. So automatically my B answer will be 1:1 only. This is what we have decided from the previous thing there. Now what about ABC? Phoenix. Bolo, 3 questions ka answer bolo. Second question I said that. What about the next one? What is the radius of each smaller sphere is the question asked. So Phoenix is saying that 7. So do anybody have any other answer apart from that, or shall I go with Phoenix only? What about C answer, Phoenix? Where is Anshita Gupta today? Bhavesh, Pralay Mehta, Naman Mehta. Are these watching recorded? So please do try to hit the like button here. So I'm getting so best questions which you might have not seen on any cat channels right now. So please do try to give a hit like button, right? So I can reach to more number of audience. 15 seconds here. Any answer? 10, 11, 10, 9. Alex, answer. Chalo, I'll solve the things there. Now, everybody know volume of hemisphere, I will be HS is equal to 4 into volume of the sphere, because 4 objects are formed na sphere. So I'll write down the thing. Volume of the hemisphere, everybody know 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 into, I'll write down volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now you have to find out this red r value there. Am I right or wrong? So pi gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, everything will be done here. Now your r radius of hemisphere is 14 into 14 into 14. Okay, done. Now see here, this 8 I'll take down in the denominator. Can I take down this as 2 into 2 into 2? So that I can make my calculations very easily. This is nothing but equal to r cube. So my r value will be equal to 14 by 2. 14 by 2 is nothing but equal to 7. Yes, perfectly 7. Done. And my first answer, radius of each smaller sphere is nothing but equal to 7. So see, that's what I said. Start of the class only. If you know the formula, you can solve the questions fatafat and very easily. Let's go. What is the ratio of new total surface area to the original total surface area? First of all, I will find out the new total surface area. New total surface area, totally 7 identical spheres are formed into 4 pi r square is nothing but the area of the sphere. So I will be taken down like this. Now original total surface area is nothing but 3 pi r square. This is hemisphere wala area. So pi gets cancelled. So I can do the 7 4s are 7 into 4. I'll write down the value there. 7 into 4. Radius is 14 into 14. And what about this one, ma? 3 into 7 into 7. Am I right or wrong? Radius is 7 na. So 7 1s are 7 1s are, 7 2s are 7 2s are. So how much is left over there? 4. Am I right or wrong? Am I missing out anything there? Am I missing down anything there? Original surface area 3 pi r square. Array, no, yaar. I wrote it in a reverse manner. I wrote it in a reverse manner. Right? So, one second bit. I wrote in a reverse manner, Alex. So, see here, this is 7 into 4 into pi gets cancelled. This is sphere na 7 into 7. This is 14 into 14. Yes. So 4 gets cancelled. So automatically so did I missed out anything there? Please let me know. It is not 1:3 na. One second ma. Let me write down the things clearly. Here I am doing calculative errors here. New total surface area is 7 into 4 pi r square. Okay. 7 into 4 into radius of the things is 7 into 7. Okay. This is 3 into radius is 14 into 14. Hemisphere ka radius na. So yes, this is 4. Yes, very good. 4 na. Yes. Very good. I am considering the previous question. Yes. Very good. This is what. Yes, Alex. So procedure is perfectly right. So that's what we have done, right? So 4 gets cancelled. 7 gets cancelled. So my answer will be 4:3, not 1:3. 4:3 here. How can original surface area will be greater than the new one? New one will be having more surface area na Phoenix. So your answer is 4:3, not 1:3. This is what you have done a mistake there. Perfectly done. So chalo, let's not make any calculative errors. Let's focus on the calculations. Let's solve this question a little bit later. Now, I want you guys to answer this question here. One of the best exact CAT level question. A little bit higher level than CAT also. Right? Let's see how many can answer this. So those who can do this, your quant personnel will be 99 for sure, damn sure. Little bit we'll focus on calculations, right? We are doing wrong calculations. In a circle with center O, two chords AB and CD exist such that both intersect each other perpendicularly at E. The ratio of AE and BE is 5:3 and the ratio of CE and DE is 1:3. OF and OG are perpendicular from the center O to the chords AB and CD respectively. If the area of the rectangle OFEG is root 80, then find the length of AB is the question asked. Okay. Any answer for this? Lex, Anshita, Nayab Khan, hi. More seconds here, nobody. So chalo, right, I'll draw the diagram there so that you can understand this. I will be taking down circle. Let us suppose take this is a circle with center O. I have drawn two chords AB and CD. Now AE and BE. Now see here, I will be taking down a common factor there because this is a ratio. Now let's suppose I'll write down this. Now see here, this is AB, this is CD. and these two chords intersect each other perpendicularly at a point called E. It seems I will be taking on this as E. Now the point here is, this is how much? AE is nothing but equal to 5x. EB is nothing but equal to how much? 3x. Now C and D, the same common factor might not work out. I will be taking on this as y. Automatically, what will be this value? This CE value will be y. ED value will be how much? 3y. Any other point given there? Now see here, this is the center of the circle O. From the center of the circle O, what you have done? OF and OG are perpendiculars from the center to the chords AB. Now see here, this is a perpendicular called OF. This is a perpendicular called OG. Are you understanding this point there? Yes, perfectly. Now see, I'll be taking down this as G and I'll be taking down this as F. Now, the point here is, when you drop a perpendicular from the center of the circle onto the chord, this chord will be divided into two equal halves. Everybody know about this. So totally AB chord value is 8x beta. Now AF value will be how much? It is exactly half now. AF value will be 4x. Am I right or wrong? So AE value is 5x. So FE value will be x. Perfectly done. Similarly, y plus 3y, 4y, OG is perpendicular, which divides the chord into two equal halves. Now, total 4y. Now, this part will be how much? This part will be 2y, because it is exactly half now. So, automatically, ED value is 3y. So, this value will be how much? Y. Okay. By this, if you can closely observe there, is this nothing but called rectangle OFEG? Yes, rectangle OFEG area is nothing but equal to how much? X into y is nothing but equal to root of 80. In what way this will be helpful to find out the length of the segment AB? Let's see. We have a property in circles here. That I can consider AB as a secant also, because it is meeting on 2 points on the circumference of the circle. Two secants meeting internally in the circle. The property is, everybody know, AE into BE is equal to, I will find out the relationship between x and y. CE into ED. Everybody know about this. Am I right or wrong? So AE is how much? 5x. BE is how much? 3x. So CE is how much? Y. ED is nothing but how much? 3y. So automatically, so 3 gets cancelled. So automatically I can write down this as 5x square is nothing but equal to y square. Am I right or wrong? Yes, perfectly. Now, chalo, I'll do this. I'll square both. So we have to find out length of AB beta. AB matlab you have to find out the value of 8x. Okay. Well, let us find out the x value there. So I'll square this on both sides, which will become x square into y square is equal to 80. Am I right or wrong? Yes. In the place of y square, I'll write down 5x square. So 5x square into x square will be x to the power of 4, which is nothing but equal to 80. So 5 ones are 5 16s are, x to the power of 4 is 16. Now x value will be how much beta? Is it 2? 2 to the power of 4 na? When bases are equal, powers are equal, bases are also will be equal, x is equal to 2. So substitute the same x value here 2. And my AB value is nothing but how much? Is it 16? And this is my answer there. Perfectly done. In this entire scenario, those who know the properties can only solve the question, or otherwise they have to leave it. So this is a question rephrased of previous CAT question only here. This is not at all a new question, right? I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Chalo. Let's solve next question here. Yes. We have solved a similar type of question previously. Let's see how many can answer this. Manchurian balls question, right? We have solved the same question similarly some 10 classes before. Same type of question, right? This was asked in a test series. So I got this question from the test series. 36 pi. Is it so? Wool. Is it not 18 pi? I'm thinking that option is D. No water spills out. Let's see what Alex also says, then we will decide the answer there. Okay, I'll solve it, don't worry. So a metal ball of 6 centimeter in diameter is dropped into a cylindrical vessel of diameter 12 centimeters. So I'll be taking down like this beta. Just for the sake of consideration, I'll take down this as cylinder. Okay, now observe the question there. Now diameter is 12, matlab radius will be 6. Radius will be 6 centimeter, right? Now height is 20 centimeter, it seems. Okay, height is 20. The water level inside the cylinder is 19.5 centimeter, it seems. So see here, water level is up to here. Now, what is the available space? What is the available height? Is it 0.5? Yes, it is 0.5 centimeter. What is the question asked? From the bottom face of the cylinder. Find the volume of the water that spills out. Now, when you drop a metal ball, how much of the water will be spilled out? If this metal ball occupies this volume, then automatically no water will spill out. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? If it occupies more than the available volume, automatically water spills out. Now, I will find out the volume of this part. Volume of this part is nothing but equal to pi r square h. It is cylinder only now. Okay, so automatically pi into your radius is 6, so I will be writing down 36. Height is how much beta? 0.5 only. I don't need the entire thing, right? So the available space is how much? Is it 18 pi? So let us see, my volume of the sphere will also be same or not. Volume of the sphere is nothing but equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so let's calculate this. 4 by 3 into pi into r value is 3 beta, because 6 is diameter na. So 3 into 3 into 3. So the answer will be 36 pi. Am I right or wrong? So the available space is 18 pi. You have dropped a metal ball of 36 pi. So how much of water will be spilled out in order to accommodate this metal ball? Subtract this and this will be the answer there, right? 18 pi of water will be spilled out from the cylinder in order to accommodate this metal ball, and my option number A will be true. So how many of you got this logic there? I mean, this is a practice session. Don't worry, right? Don't worry. Check where you are going wrong. That's it. Perfectly done. Let's come to the next one. And this question, these type of questions, right? Whatever you are seeing on the slide. So I have been asked in all the test series, right? So since I have a repository from 2009, because I started my preparation in 2009, I cracked in 2011. So I have all the questions with me. So this is one such question I have observed frequently in all the test series there. Let's see how many can solve this. IMS, time, career launcher, crack you, right? Every test series I have seen this question. Any answer for this? The total area of all the faces of a cuboidal solid is 22. This is 22 beta, right? 22 centimeters square. of all the faces it seems. So how many faces will be there for a cuboid? 6 faces, right? 2 front and back, 2 left and right, 2 up and down, just like with a cube. And the total length of all its edges is 24 centimeter. How many edges do we have for a cuboid? 12 edges. Am I right or wrong? Everybody know about this. In those 12 edges, 4 will be length, 4 will be breadth, and 4 will be height. So chalo, I'll write down the things there. First of all, total area is nothing but equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH is nothing but equal to how much here? It is 22. 22. Okay. Now the point here is that this point, I'll write down this point. Length of all the edges, I'll write down this one in reading. This is, we will be having up they go. You can easily understand 4 length are there, 4 breadth are there, 4 height are there. Is nothing but equal to 24. By this I can write down this as L plus B plus H is nothing but equal to 6. Okay, so length of any of its body diagonals is the question asked. Length of any body. So I can do one thing better, right? I will square this on both sides. So what will be the value there? I'll write down this L square plus B square plus H square plus 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Am I right or wrong? Is equal to 36. Perfectly done. And you closely observe there, already I know this value, which is nothing but equal to 22. So L square plus B square plus H square is nothing but equal to how much here? 36 minus 22 is nothing but 14 na cool. Is not 12. And you are asked to find out body diagonal. Everybody know body diagonal of a cuboid formula is nothing but equal to root of L square plus B square plus H square. This is what the formula there. Am I right? It is a 3D object now, not 2D one. So automatically what will be my answer there? This is my answer. This root, square root on both sides, and my option number C will be true. Am I right or wrong? Hope so. I am clear regarding this, right? Perfectly done. Chalo, let's go for the next one. Let's see how many can solve this, right? So what will be the object form when you rotate this? What will be the object form when you rotate this? That's what I need first of all. Those who can find out this automatically can solve the question. Let's see how many can answer this one. One minute more, yeah. Forty seconds more. So do try to hit the like button, those who are in the class. One of the base edges of a metallic plate, which is in the form of a right triangle, is soldered to a wire. The wire is rotated around its own axis, it seems. What is the maximum volume that can be generated by the metallic plate given that the smallest side of a triangular plate is 8 centimeter and the largest side is 2 centimeter greater than the second largest side? Okay. Any answer here? So let's see, observe this. There is a wire, it seems, soldered to a wire. You have soldered a metallic plate which is in the format of a right. Consider this as a right triangle. Okay, consider this as a right triangle. Now see here, if you rotate this, automatically what happens, beta? Will it form a cone? Yes. See, rotate this. Will it form a cone? Yes, it will form a cone. So see here, this will be the thing there. Wire will be rotated like this and a cone will be formed. And now you have to find out the volume of this cone, which should be maximum, it seems. So what must be your height? What must be your height? What must be your radius? What must be your slant height? This is what you should take there. Sides are 6, 8, 10. Okay, fine. No, it might not be correct. Let's see, right? So I'll take down my second largest side as x. If my second largest side is x, what will be my largest side? X plus 2. What will be my smallest side? That's what given there. It is 8, it seems. Right? How can it be 8? Cool, right? Observe the things that 8 is the smallest side, na? So by Pythagoras theorem, right? So this is what, right? You have to find out with Pythagoras theorem only, right? Right? Am I right or wrong? Right triangle, na? 8 square plus x square will be equal to x plus 2 whole square. So 864 plus x square is nothing but equal to x square plus 4 plus 2 2s are 4, 4x. So x square gets cancelled, 4 will come to this side. Now x will be equal to 15. Am I right or wrong? X value is 15. So my values are 8, 15, 17. Am I right or wrong? This is the Pythagorean triplet there. You can easily answer this. Yes, beta. Perfectly right. This is the Pythagorean triplet. Now, which side should be taken? So see here, I have to find out the volume here. Everybody know volume of the cone is nothing but equal to 1 by 3. After rotating on its own axis, a cone will be formed. Pi r square h. Now, what value should I take in order to get the largest possible value? Everybody know. Now, closely observe there. So, your slant height must be the largest side here. Now, see 1 by 3 into, of course, you can check it, right? Pi into r, I will take down second largest side 15 square into height I will be taking down as 8. Then only, right? So, see here. So tent likewise, right? If the height is less, height is less and radius is more, automatically it covers more space. So I will be taking down like this. 3 ones are 3, 1 5s will be left over and one more 15 will be left over. Right? Now, no Sony, observe this. So 8 5s are 40. It is 600 pi. I got maximum volume than 320, na? So I got my option 600. Why it will be 320? I took radius as 15, I took height as 8. So combo of these two values, you take three combos will come. Out of that, one combo will give you largest volume. That you should take as an answer there. I hope so. You got my point there perfectly. Right? Chal. Let's solve the next question here. This is an easy question. Those who know the formula can solve the question, or otherwise, no, exit it. Let's see. The answer for this, the ratio of volume of a hexagonal pyramid P to that of an hexagonal prism Q is 4:25. Okay. Any answer, Alex? Alex became so calm. Be active in the class. I am not taking class more than 50 minutes now. I should be so active. Nobody. Let's suppose take, right, P is hexagonal pyramid, it seems. Okay. So everybody know hexagonal pyramid means your base will be hexagon, lateral sides will be triangles only, everybody know. So what will be the volume? Is it volume? Yes, I will be taking down radius as A2 and height as H2. Okay, then volume will be how much? 1/3 into base area is nothing but equal to 6 into root 3/4 a square. Everybody know regular hexagon is divided into 6 equilateral triangles, a square, right, into H2. Am I right or not? Well, come to Q. Q is hexagonal prism, it seems. Hexagonal prism. Okay, fine. So what will be the, I'll take down hexagonal prism values as A1 comma H1 here. What will be the volume there? Base area is hexagon. Am I right or wrong? 6 into root 3/4 A1 square into height H1. This will be the volume there. Now you are given with their ratios, it seems. So I'll write down the things there. Closely observe there. 1/3 into 6 into root 3/4 A2 square into H2 divided by 6 into root 3/4 A1 square into H1. Am I right or wrong? P is to Q only na, 4/25 beta. This is what given there. Okay. So 6/3, 6, this and this gets cancelled out. Let's keep it this like that. I'll write down in blacking the next one. If the heights of P and Q are interchanged, then the ratio will be. Now see here the same thing. I'll not use these things there. 1/3 is left over here because both will be cancelled out now. A2 square into this will be H1 beta divided by A1 square into H2 is nothing but equal to how much? 9/100. So you closely observe there. I will be taking down this 1/3 into A2 into A1. So see 1/3 A2 into A1 will be equal to how much? 4 into H1/25 H2. Am I right or wrong? So in this place I will be writing down 4 into H1. So H1 square, this H1 will become divided by 25 H2. This will become 25 H2 whole square. 2 H2s are there now, divided by 9/100. So 25 ones are, 25 fours are, this will become 9/16. So what will be H1/H2? H1/H2 is nothing but equal to, is it that one? Yes, perfectly. H1/H2 is nothing but equal to 3/4. 3/4. Now I will be substituting 3/4 in H1/H2. So see here, I'll write down here this one 3. I'll write down writing this one 4. Now what will be happening there? 3 ones are, 3 threes are. This 3 will go to that side. Now finally A2 square by A1 square will be equal to how much here? 9/25. So which will be A2 by A1 will be equal to how much? 3/5. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Now what is the question asked? Observe the question. What is the ratio of their respective volumes if the sides of P and Q are interchanged? Now sides are changed, it seems. Okay, I'll write down this one here. If sides are interchanged, Now see here, 1 by 3 will be left over. 6 into root 3 by 4 will be cancelled off. I will be writing down this as a1 square into h2 divided by. Now see here, a2 square will be there because reverse na h1 will be there here. Now what will be the answer there? Now a1 square by a2 square. Now what will be the value there? I'll let me write down here. 1 by 3 into a1 by a2, 20, a1 square 25 by 9 into h2. Is it 4 by a3? Yes. Now what will be the answer there? 3 3s are 9. Is it 100 is to 81? Yes, 100 is to 81. Perfect answer there. What is the value there? B. I hope so. It is so clear. In the entire scenario, beta, if you know the formula, fatafat you can solve there. This is what I stressed at the start of the class. So do try to learn basics. If the question is very easy, automatically you can get more marks there, right? Don't leave the topic entirely. This is what my suggestion there. Okay, chal. Let's go for the next one. So we'll solve 2 more questions and then we'll end the class. Okay. And this is also very easy. Those who know the formula can solve this question fatafat very easily. Yes, cool, Phoenix, try to answer this. Any answer? So this is weekend now. I will not force you. Let's end with this question. Later on we'll see it, right? Okay. There are 3 containers, each filled with 6 liters of water, it seems here. Okay. The first container is a cylinder with base radius a centimeter. So I'll write down this one. The first one is cylinder, it seems. With base radius a centimeter, it seems. So see, what is the question asked? The second container is a square prism with side of square as a centimeter, and third container is a hexagonal prism with side of hexagon as a centimeter. Find the ratio of levels of water in the cylinder height, it seems. Ratio of levels of water means height only, right? So cylinder height is equal to, everybody know, volume V divided by pi r square. So radius is a, I will be taking on as pi a square. Come to the next one. So next one is square prism. Square prism height, now everybody know. So what is the base there? A square, am I right or wrong? Volume by side of the square is a square. So this will be the volume. I'll write it in black ink. Next one is hexagonal prism, it seems. Hexagonal prism height h is equal to volume divided by, now base is hexagon and again regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means 6 into root 3 by 4 a square. Everybody know. Again, side of the hexagon is given as a na, a square. Finally done. So so what is the thing? Ratio of heights only now. So what will be left over? I can take down v as common. So pi value should be taken as 3, it seems. So finally I'll write down this one. I'll write down 1 by 1. V divided by 3a square is to red one is v divided by a square. Now what is the black one? I'll write down this one. V divided by 6 into root 3 by 4 a square. So I can take down v by a square as common. Yes. So finally what will be left over there? 1 by 3 is to 1 is to, and this one is 2 by 3 root 3 beta. Am I right or wrong? So 3 root 3 I will be taking down as LCM there. 3 root 3 I will be taking down as LCM there. Now what will be the value there? Root 3 will be left over in the numerator. 3 root 3 will be left over in the second part. And 2 will be left over in the third part. And these are the ratios of levels of water, it seems. And my option number A satisfies there perfectly. I hope so. You got the logic there. Perfectly done. Exactly. Chalo. Okay then. So we will continue in the next class. We will solve the remaining questions in the next class. I hope so. So I hope you like the questions there. Each and every question are literally formula based only, right? If you know the formula, automatically you can solve the question, right? Yes. So as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can unlock combats using with my code NLN10. Yes, you can unlock free classes on Unacademy using with my code NLN10. So the price for plus for 12 months will be 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Coming to iconic, these are the prices. On this prices you will be getting 10% flat discount when you use my code NLN10, and you will be getting notes delivered to you, right? Physical notes prepared by topmost educators in India. And yes, right, so many of the free learners have asked this, right? So prepare a postal course likewise thing. So we have introduced this Unacademy Lite little bit stronger, right, distance learning program where you will be getting test series plus printed notes both together. So we have revamped this Unacademy Lite subscription and made it so strong, and you will be getting test series and printed notes, right? Learners who want to join this category, yes, you have to subscribe for GATE Lite. And these are the price, and on this price you will be getting 10% flat discount when you use my code NLN10. And as I said there, right, so Unacademy gave an huge opportunity, right? So I have explained you all these things. You might have a doubt how the quality of the course will be, how the content of the content will be, what will be the depthness of the content. Yes, so see here, you can use this free trial and join the free trial, right, for 7 days. I'll show you the slide there, 1 second, right? 7-day free trial. Unlock the free trial, check the quality of the course, check the depth of the content, and then subscribe onto the Unacademy, right? Unlock the free trial using with my referral code NLN10. And yes, join this community features, right? I am forwarding my notes, updates regarding my classes, interacting with the students regarding their doubts, right? Whatsoever, right? Preparation. So do try to join this community feature, and do try to join my special classes here. My special classes has huge crowd. My strategy sessions, campus placement opportunities, career opportunity sessions are a huge crowd. Even some classes have more than 1,000. So do try to attend this. Our interaction level will be 10x more than on YouTube. And yes, please do try to hit the like button here. Share my classes if you like it, so that I can reach to more number of audience there. Subscribe to the channel, download the PDF, and hit the bell icon to get the updates. Thank you. Have a nice day and happy Independence Day, right? It's tomorrow, right? Bye. We'll meet on Tuesday, 16th again, right?
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
a challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.